right, here we go for their rounding off group number 1 from Harrison, Ohio, the Belgian Malinois, Dazzle and Chris Pulse. All right, looks like they're playing a little follow the leader up there, and look at that huge jumping Belgian Malinois. All right, and a round off group number 1 from Harrison, Ohio, the Belgian Malinois, Dazzle and Chris Pulse. Said goodbye to my troubles, they went that way ever since you came into my life. All right, getting that dog to stay all the way at the end of that 40-foot dock. It's reared up and ready to go and flying into the water. Their first round score was 14 feet 5 inches. Their second round score, when you're holding me tight, is going to be 15 feet 7 inches. 15 feet 7 inches. There's a cute little cottage for 2 that away. Skies are... All right, here we go with the first round score of 16 feet 4 inches from Harrison, Ohio, the Belgian Malinois, Dazzle and Chris Pulse. That is such a cool last name, Jim. She should have that like on the back of a jersey.
I do like that last name. That's perfect, especially for dog dogs.
My name is and up and away, that dog using that tail like a helicopter blade, Jim.
Well, she had the pulse on that one.
Ha ha ha. Ah, Jim, you're funny. All right, 15 feet 10 inches for the second jump. 15 feet 10 inches. Dazzle and Chris Pulse. The dog swinging that tail out there, getting every inch it can. Look at Cindy Nolan only taking pictures of Malinois out there. All right, 16 feet 5 inches, 16 feet 5 inches. Something happened to the radar gun, I think. All right, Chris Pulse and Dazzle roll up on the dock from Harrison, Ohio with the first round score of 15 feet even. 15 feet even. And it's a hot day today. Wow, getting out there. Let's see if they're going to be 15 feet.